Hello friends, welcome to back All Rounder YouTube channel with Arav Gautam. So in this session we are going to discussing 20 important points of Himachal Pradesh GK. So let's start in this session. First of all, Mandi conspiracy is also known as Mandi Shadyantra, that is held in 1914 to 1915, and its main leader is Mian Jawar Singh, that is belong to Gadar party. So sometimes the party name is asked, so its party name is Gadar party. Next is point number 2, first production of apples in Himachal Pradesh. So in Bandrola, situated in Kullu, and in which year? So 1870 by R.C. Lee. Next is Atal Tunnel. Atal Tunnel is situated in Kullu and its length is 9.02 km, and it is established in 2020. And in 2020, the Bilaspur AIIMS situated in Kothipura in Bilaspur is also established in 2020. And Atal Tunnel is also established in 2020. Next is maximum reserved forests in Himachal Pradesh, so in Chamba, and maximum reserve forest in context of the percentage, so that is Sirmaur, and maximum ST scheduled tribe, so that is in Chamba, and maximum scheduled tribe in context of this percentage, so that is in Lahaul Spiti. Maximum SC, so in Kangra, and maximum SC in context of percentage in Lahaul Spiti. Highest post office of Himachal Pradesh in Hikkim, situated in Lahaul Spiti. Next is entry point of Lahaul Spiti is known as Koksar, and last point of Lahaul Spiti is known as Losar. Sometime the question will ask regarding the entry point and last point of the Lahaul Spiti. Next is Kullu shawl gets GI tag in 2005. Chappals of Chamba and socks, gloves of Lahaul Spiti gets GI tag in 2021, and handkerchief of Chamba gets GI tag in 2007. Next is art of Chamba. So art of Chamba is Vimloi, and it is a famous art of Chamba. And next is highest pass of Himachal Pradesh. Acha, sorry, here some typing mistake, so I will write Vimloi. Art of Chamba is Vimloi, and highest pass of HP is known as Parangala Pass. Parangala Pass, and this pass connected Lahaul Spiti to Ladakh. Lahaul Spiti plus Ladakh, and its total 5580 meter from sea level, its height from sea level. And next is Balchara Pass, that Lahaul plus Ladakh, and it is a crossroad pass. So it is very important question that which pass is known as crossroad pass, and its height from sea level is 4890 meter. Next is Kunjum Pass. So Kunjum Pass connected Lahaul to Spiti, and it is only a single pass in which on which vehicles are running. So it is very important pass in which pass the vehicles run. So that is Kunjum Pass. And last and important point is Tapo Monastery. Tapo Monastery is the oldest monastery, and it is the Ajanta of HP. So remember this point. Who is the oldest monastery of HP and Ajanta of HP? So it is a Tapo Monastery. So thanks to all of you. In this lecture we have discussing all 20 important points of Himachal Pradesh GK in within under 5 minutes. Please like, subscribe and comments your doubts. Thanks a lot of you to everyone.